Good morning children, welcome to my class. Today I will be teaching maths for you. I hope you have learned the concept which I taught you in previous classes. Today we are going to study the concepts of begins, before and after, etc. Now first one is before and after. Please look at the picture. Can you see this picture? Yes. The first one is a doll, the other one is a pyramid and the other one is robot. So we are going to compare these objects. See, where is the place of this doll? Now this pyramid is center of this picture. So the doll's face is before the pyramid and whereas the robot is after the pyramid. Okay, I'll show you other examples. Can you see these objects? See, I have one teddy bear and a parrot and a rabbit. Here, the parrot is in the middle. Where is the teddy bear? The teddy bear is placed before the parrot, whereas the rabbit is after the parrot. Okay? Yes. Our next concept is top and bottom. What do you mean by top? Top means highest part of an object or a position and place. What do you mean by top? Top means highest part of an object, first place or a position. Now I will show you some example. Can you see this building blocks? Can you see? Yes, I am using these blocks and show you the concept of top and bottom. Now see, which color is at the top? Top means, I told you, top means highest part of an object. So, highest part means this is. So, which color is at the top? Yes, sure, this orange is at the top. Now, see, which color is at the top? Can you see this? Yes, it is blue is at the top. Now, please tell me, which color is at the top? Which color is at the top? Yes, it is pink. The next concept we are going to study is bottom. Bottom means, what is bottom? The lowest part of an object or place. I'll show you. Now, can you see this building blocks? Now, lowest part of the object. So, which one is the lowest part? This green. Now, you see, I fixed this building block here. Now, which one is the lowest one? Which is the bottom? Yes, this pink color is at the bottom. Now one more. See. Now which color is at the bottom? Orange color is at the bottom. Okay. Do you clear with this concept? Okay. Yes. Our next concept is same and different. What do you mean by same? Things of similar nature. What do you mean by same? Things of similar nature. I'll show you this example. Yes. Can you see these colors? Do you like colors? Yes. Which color is this? Of course, it is pink color. Can you see? Yes. The first one is pink. The second one also pink. And the third one also pink. So, it is same color. This is same color. The next one, can you see these colors? Yes. Which color is this? Yes, it is yellow. You see, first one is yellow. The second one is yellow. Third one is yellow. So, it is same. This is yellow color. This is same. Okay, the next example. Yes. Can you see these balls? Yes. Is it same or different? Yes, it is same. Same. These two balls are same colors. Now these balls, you see, these are different colors. These balls are different. Yes, in the same way I will explain once again the concept different. Yes. Can you see these colors? Yes. First one is light green. And the second one is yellow and the third one is pink. See children, all these colors are same. Are they same? No, these are different. These are different colors. Got it? I hope you are clear with this concept. See children, our next concept is thick and thin. Yes, what do you mean by thick? Thick means if the object is more width, we can say it is thick. If the object is less thick, we can say it is thin. Now see this picture. Can you see this picture? Yes? Yes. See, the width of this tree is width of this tree is more. So it is thick. Width of this tree is less. So we can say this is thin object. So next picture, next example you can see. This is thick pencil. Whereas this is thick and the other one is thin. Got it? Yes, this is thick object. Can you see this? Thick, and this is thin. Thick, thin. See, this book is thick. Can you see this book? This is thick object. Thick. Whereas this is thin. This is thin. Okay? Less width, more width. Okay? Clear this concept? Yes children, our next concept is near and far. Yes, near means short distance away means near. Yes, then great distance away means far. See this picture? Can you see this picture? Yes. Now, this girl is standing near the tree. This girl is standing next to the tree. So, we can say the girl is near the tree. Okay, the girl is near the tree. Whereas, this boy is standing far from the tree. So, we can say this boy is away from the tree. This boy is away from the tree. So, we can say this boy is standing far from the tree. Our next concept is left and right. Okay children, which hand do you use to have your food? Show me your hand. Yes, from your side, that is your right hand. From my side, this is my right hand because I am using this hand for having my food. The other hand is left hand. Understood? I will show you one example. See, can you see this picture? Yes. Now, where is the cow? The cow is towards the right side of this girl. Where is the chair? The chair is towards the left side of the girl. Understood? Yes. Next concept is more or less. More means greater amount. Less means smaller amount. Okay? More means greater. Less means smaller. I will show you some examples. Can you see these pictures? Yes? Okay. Now you see this tree has more apples and this tree is less apples. Okay? This tree has more and this tree has less. Look at the next picture. Can you see? Yes, balloons. Yes. This is more and this is less. More balloons, less balloons. Okay? One more example. Yes? What is this? These are balls. Yes? Yes. See, look at this children. These are more balls. And these are less balls. Okay? I hope you are clear with this topic. Yes. The last concept of today is above and below. Yes. Above means something that is higher than something. What is meant by above? Something that is higher than something. What do you mean by below? Something that is lower than something. something that is lower than something. Okay, can you see this building blocks? Yes. Now this building block, I fix it here. Now this building block is above of this yellow. This blue building top is above of this yellow. Now see, I fix this green here. Now this green is above of this blue. Green is above of this blue. This, which color is this? Yes, this is pink color. So I fix it here. Now you see, now which color is above? This color is, this pink color is above of this green color. Next, yes, below means something that is lower than something. Now this is green color. See, I fixed this color here. Now this pink color is below of this green color. Now this pink color is below of this green color. Okay. Now see this orange color. Now this orange color is below of this pink color. Okay. I hope you clear this concepts. So children, which are the concepts today we learned? Do you remember which are the concepts? The first one is before and after. The second one is top and bottom. Third one is more, less. Fourth one, same, different. Same and different. Next, thick and thin. Next one, thick, thin. Sixth one, near, far. Seventh one, left, right, left and right. The last one, above and below. The last one, above and below. Okay, so I hope you are clear with this concept. Okay, next class we will see again.